Hi guys, welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Monday, June the 27th, 2022. No, it's the Friday edition. Friday edition, June the 24th, 2022. We have two puzzles left: the Two Stars Sudoku and the Tectonic with 1 star. But first, I will solve this Sudoku with 2 stars, and this will be number 4763. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 26 printed digits. And for 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. This one I have a lot of troubles. This one, a letter Sudoku with double O or more than one letter. Alright. But first, this one, Sudoku with 2 stars. Let me focus the Sudoku. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 9. We have a 6 and a 9 in this second column. So no 6 and a 9 in these 2 boxes. The 6 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and the 9, 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there, 6 should be here. The 9 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this big square, 4 numbers, 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. Oh, wait. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this row, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, so the row between. The middle row, only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see here 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. Alright. Okay. 2 in this column, 2 in that column, so the column between. The middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7 in this row. No 7 in these 2 boxes, so 1 box left for the 7 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 8 in the middle row, so the row above. Only place left for the 8 should be there. Alright. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 6. We see here 6 in this column. So no 6 in these 2 boxes. Here 6 in this row. No 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, could be there. 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 6 in the third row. So the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6 in this column. No 6 there, 6 should be there. Oh, right. Okay. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this column. No 4 in these two boxes. Here 4 in the third row. So no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those two boxes in this column. 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column. The only two places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4. We see here 4 in the last row, so no 4 there, 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be 2. Alright. Okay. Okay. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, only 2 places left for the 1. Could be here, could be there. 7, 8, 5, 5, 5. 8, 8. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. In the second row, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here cannot be an 8, it's reserved for the 1 and the 4. So the 8 could be here, here, or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the first column, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. Yeah. 9. 7. 2 numbers left in the second column. Those numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 in the first row. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. Alright. 5 in the first row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see here 5 in the middle column. So no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5, 5. Alright. Okay. 2 numbers left in this column. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing and the 8 is missing. We have a 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8 in this column, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8. Alright, 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column between. The only 3 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. Here the 8 in this row, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are not used. Now we have 8 there, so this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8, and this box should be 3. Now I can count. And all the 8s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 8. 3, 3. 5, 5. And a 2, 2, 2. Okay. 2, 1, 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. Let me mark those. Okay, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1 and the 7, 1 and the 7. 1 box left in this row. For the numbers 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9. Alright, 1 number left in this column. For number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. 7, 7. 3, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 5 and a 9 in this row, so no 5 and a 9 in this box. 5 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 3. 3, 3. 6, 6. Yeah. 1, 2, 3. 3 missing numbers. Those missing numbers in the third row are the numbers 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 3, 9. 1, 3, 9. And look, we have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. Here, 3 in this big square. No 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. So the 1 and the 9 are missing. Okay. All right. 1, 2. The 4. 4, 4. 1, 2, 4. 2, 6, 6, 7. Come on, 2 numbers left in this row. 4 numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and the 7, 2 and the 7. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 7 goes there. So now we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 in these two boxes. So the 7 goes together with the 6 as a pair. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. The 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here. This box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. This box should be a 4. 4 in this row, third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4 in this column, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column, the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2, we have a 1 in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be here, the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this third row for number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, 7 and the 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left. In this column, 4 numbers, 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 to 5, 3 to 5. 3 to 5. Nope, cannot fill this yet. How about a 1 and a 2? We have a 1 now, so this should be a 2. 2 in this column, 2 in that last column, so the column between. Only 2 places left for the 2 should be here. We see here 2 in the middle row, so no 2 there, 2 should be here, 2 numbers left. In this big square here, we have 1 and the 7, the other pair should be the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing, 3 and the 5, we have a 3 in the last column, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 in the more, that box should be 5. This box should be 9. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 1 box left in this last row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. Now we have a 6 there, so this box can be 6 and more, that box should be 6. This box should be 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more, that box should be 7. And this box should be a 1. Final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, 1 and the 3. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 3 goes there. Finished in 60 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. And I've solved this in 60 minutes. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, definitely 2 stars. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you later. Later with the last puzzle of today. A tectonic with 1 star. Until then, bye-bye for now.